Okay guys, Steve Elliott, Elvis Elite. Look up online, elviselite.com. Great impersonator. I think he won Penticton. I think the other day he was telling me, I can't remember now because we were at the bar. I think he said 3 times in a row. Anyway, his Caddy had caught on fire, the engine. Let's see if we can get this thing open with one hand. Oh, look at that, one hand. Lucky I'm going to the gym. Painted the air cleaner up a nice pink for him. Chris got in there and did everything on it. So let's see what we did here. So it caught on fire, everything was burnt, done, finished. So it ended up, we put a new timing chain in it, gears in it, distributor pretty much, all the upper gaskets, carburetor, belts, hoses, everything. Everything is new, runs great. Repainted the hood, of course. Bruce got in there and did all the body work on the hood. Got her all repainted. Jared did the paint work on the hood. We'll fire this old girl up so you can listen to it. Oh, let's see here. Look at that. Just idling and running good. And this is the original engine. It's never been rebuilt whatsoever that we're aware of. So it's running really good for what it is. So that's what's going on there today. It's finished, it's on its way. Steve will be picking it up. He says he's going to take me downtown next week in this car. He's going to take me out for a night on the town. Lucky he's driving this time. Last time I was. Now it's my turn to have some fun. There we go, Elvis Elite. Great guy. He's become a really good friend. And I don't know what else to tell you. Look at all the goodies he's got going on in here. Man, I've never seen so much stuff in my life. Oh, and of course, check out the gold bumper. Metal plate gold bumper going on there. Yes, there is. Okay, let's shut this old girl off. Maybe we'll take a look and see what Chris is up to in the shop. The shop's sort of getting emptier. Plastic parts today?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 81 Ford?
81 Ford.
81 Ford. That's too new for us. I don't know why we're doing it.
Yeah.
That was me.
Gotta black it all out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Everything that Chris is working on here, all the plastic and chrome headlight doors and all that shit, the owner wants it black. If you remember, it's in some of our past videos. It's the 81. It's going that like charcoaly gray. It's actually at the booth right now. Jared's going to be painting it tonight. Doing a fine job as he always does. And then of course we still got the Pontiac up top that Chris is working on. God, everything Chris is working on.
Yeah.
What the hell am I doing these days?
I don't know.
Fuck all. Yeah, I'm making videos. I'm on Instagram, texting people. Man, for some reason I do nothing anymore. Well, that's okay. It's got the LS. Now what'd you say? What size was this LS again, Chris? This is a
5.3 liter LS.
And it's the aluminum block, right?
Aluminum block, so they're a little more rare.
And he said he hopped it up or
Yeah,
something.
he said it's hopped up a bit, so I mean, it should make anywhere from 300 to 400 horse probably.
Good. That'll spin the tires.
Oh yeah. Especially in this old girl.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a cool car. Very cool. All right. Well, I guess that's it. That's all that's going on today, guys. Nothing else. The cab's still sitting over there. Haven't suicided the doors yet. I'm not in the mood. We all know I don't do it. I've never done it before, right? But he's given us lots of links now to doing the doors.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. So that'll be something you and I'll tackle maybe.
And you got a good kit to do it, so.
Yeah.
Should be not too bad.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. So we'll.
Those doors fitting nice first.
Yeah, we'll get Sean there to play with those. You and I tried, but yeah, well, whatever. What do you? Sean is the master. Sean is the master. Sean's over masking the 81 for Jared right now, so he's not here. So that's it. Short little video. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. On my page now, oldtimegarage.ca, you will see that the Instagram is up and working, so you can click on from there now. And if you don't want to, you, like I say, you can go Ricks_oldtimegarage. We're getting lots of postings and pictures put up there. We're putting a lot of the old ones up that were erased or whatever the hell happened to them. I don't know. It doesn't matter. They're all going back up there. We've got them all, thank God. So everything is good. So the shop is doing just fine. We're going to be all good here. Okay. It's always a good time at all time.